Money, mansion, or Mercedes Benz. What makes a girl happy? You all must have heard that charity begins at home. So is the happiness project. My dear ladies, it begins with you. So today we are going to start expecting happiness from others. Right? No way. In fact, from today, we are going to shut the chapter of expectations and start working on ourselves. So today we will be discussing 5S formula which helps one to become happy. Number 1, smartness. Having practicality and clear thinking. See, it is very essential to have a clear vision for everything that is in front of our eyes. If we lack clarity, then it is but obvious that we end up in blunders and hamper our happiness. So how to achieve smartness? Very simple. Just keep the company of smart people around you and they will teach you everything necessary. Number 2, simplicity. Often the quality, the virtue of simplicity is misunderstood as living with the less resources. But in fact, these resources have got nothing to do with it. It is the quality of being happy and satisfied in all the states of life, no matter what happens, and making others happy too. One wise personality has said, you cannot give happiness to others until you are happy yourself. And unless one is happy within one's own heart, he cannot be happy, whatever one may acquire. So, this simplicity is achieved by practicing gratitude. Number 3, sweetness. It is the quality of being sweet to everyone around us, including our so-called enemies. And sweetness is also seen in obedience to your elders, superiors, or well-wishers. By following whom, we are able to take so many positive and constructive decisions in life. Number 4, strength. See, a man is known for his physical strength, his logical reasoning ability, but a lady is glorified for her intelligence as well as her EQ, emotional quotient, that is her ability to support others. Whether she is in a role of a mother, a daughter, a sister, a wife, a friend, or anything, she is the strongest pillar of support for everyone in the family. Number 5, selflessness. My dear ladies, the world might have said you anything, like do this, do that, prove yourself at the cost of your soul, and so many things. But if no one has ever told you it, I want to say that our true glory lies in our selfless service to others. Loving is sharing, loving is caring. We must be lovingly dedicated to others. And when we are sincere in our endeavors, in our practice of showing our love to others, when we are selfless, then you will also wonder that how all the goodness has come your way. After all, a lady is known for her unconditional capacity to show love to others. So that's it. 5S formula for happiness. I hope it helps you. My name is Ritya Gopika Devi Dasi and I thank you very much for watching this video.